In this video, I'm going to show you how to nail your home renovation by avoiding some common design mistakes that mess up comfort and style. When you're remodeling or building, you gotta think about stuff like noise control, ceiling height, and flooring because these things seriously affect how your space feels day to day. So listen up if you want to make your place chill and cozy without regretting your choices later. First off, soundproofing is a game changer. If you don't block noise properly, your rooms will feel uncomfortable and noisy, especially if you live near traffic or noisy neighbors. Try adding insulation or soundproof drywall in key areas like bedrooms and home offices. Next, don't forget about ceiling height. Low ceilings can make a room feel super cramped and claustrophobic. If you can, keep ceilings at least 8 feet tall or add design tricks like vertical stripes or recessed lighting to give the illusion of space. When it comes to flooring, pick materials that match the room's use and your climate. For example, hardwood looks great but can get damaged in humid places. Vinyl or tile might be smarter there. Also, layering rugs can add both style and comfort while protecting your floors. Make sure your contractor uses proper underlayment to avoid squeaky floors and increase insulation. Lighting plays a big role too. Natural light plus warm LED fixtures make rooms inviting. Lastly, don't ignore ventilation. Proper airflow keeps your space fresh and stops mold. One of the biggest mistakes I see is overlooking noise control. Without soundproofing, your home feels chaotic and stressful. Another common error is neglecting ceiling height, which makes spaces feel tight and less open. The third is poor flooring choices. Picking the wrong floor for the room or climate causes damage fast and ruins comfort. To fix these issues, invest in soundproof materials early on, plan for at least 8-foot ceilings if possible, and research flooring options that suit your lifestyle and local weather conditions. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors find work by matching them with people needing projects done, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.